Hey everyone, my name is Shagun and today we are going to learn how to make another Photoshop manipulation called man jumping in cup of coffee or whatever you can say. I uploaded this edit on my Instagram and a few people requested me to make a tutorial, so I'm going to make it. Before starting, I just want to say that the links of stocks are in description so you can get them, so you can follow along. Okay, so now first of all we are going to import our cup layer. Okay, we have imported it successfully and right now it's a background layer, so we are going to unlock it. Okay, now what we're going to do is import our ocean layer. So just go to file and click on open, and here you can just import your ocean layer. Okay, also make sure you unlock it. Now press this move tool and then just drag it over like this. Make sure you drag it over your cup layer. Press Ctrl and T to resize it. You can get the options to resize them. I'm going to just drag it a little bit more. Just a bit more, so that it fits over our cup. Okay guys, so for me this is fine, and what we're going to do next is we are going to add a layer mask to cup layer. Now you make sure you choose your ocean layer. Let's rename them. I'm going to name it ocean and I'm going to rename it to cup. Okay, so now choose your ocean layer and reduce its opacity so that it becomes transparent. Now choose your pen tool. I'm going to use curvature pen tool obviously because it's circle right over there. Now start just making a circle, or we can say start just masking around the edge of the cup. Try to do it more perfectly so that you get better results and you don't have to waste up your more time in retouching it. I'm doing it for tutorial purpose, so I'm just going to do it faster. It's all about selection. Okay, so once you have done with masking, right click and then choose make selection. Make sure feather radius and all of this is set to default and then click on OK. Now what you have to do is when the selection is done, press Ctrl plus J to exclude your selection and increase the opacity now. Okay, now we can delete this ocean layer, and here you can see that we have ocean over our cup. If you would zoom in, then you will notice some hard edges right over here. What I recommend you to have a layer mask over it and then choose the brush tool. Make sure it's general brush of not a big size, and make sure the hardness is 0%. Make sure it's black to white. Reduce the size a bit and then just simply drag it over this to get soft edges obviously. As I already told, it's all about selection, so make sure your selection is perfect. If your selection would be perfect, then you will get better results. Give it your time. Don't be in hurry. Don't do it in hurry. Okay, but we are doing it in tutorial and we have to move forward, so I'm just leaving it as it is. Now what you have to do is choose your ocean layer, and the layer which we have excluded, duplicate it. Now press Ctrl plus T and then right click and then just choose flip vertical and then just check it. Now choose the brush tool, make sure it's black to white, increase the size of brush and then simply wait a second. Yes, now simply just do it over like this. Okay, so we have nice ocean layer right over here, and if it comes out, then make sure you drag it over like this. Okay, now we have really nice ocean layer, and now we are just all we have to do is just add a man jumping into it, and we are also going to add a few water splash, and few birds. So first of all, let's add our man into this. So import the man layer. Okay, so I have imported up my man layer. I'm going to unlock it. Now I'm going to use quick selection tool. I'm going to increase a bit size. Okay, now we're just going to select this man and just select it, perfectly, so that there are no bad edges right over here. Make sure to select these hands also, obviously. Okay guys, so I have selected this man perfectly. Now I'm going to use my move tool and just drag it over our project. Okay, so we have this man jumping right over here. Oh, I selected the wrong layer. So we are going to rename this as man. Okay, we have this guy jumping. Now what we are going to do is we're going to add water splashes so that it looks real, that he's really jumping into it. So go ahead and import the water splash layer. Okay, so this is a water splash layer. We have this water splash layer. Now we are going to resize it by pressing Ctrl and T. Just drag it like this. Also using eraser tool, I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Make sure you resize it. Okay, we are zooming in. Okay, similarly what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl and J, and now we are just using the move tool. We are just dragging right over here to make it on both the sides. Oh, I did a bit wrong. You can adjust it according to your taste, obviously. Okay, okay, so we have our water splashes both the sides, and now we are almost done. All we have to do is just add a few birds right over here. So we have our birds. Now just like drag it. Oh, use your move tool and then just drag it like over in our project. So here we have our birds. I suck at selecting layers. Okay, now just we have our birds. Let adjust them a little bit so that it looks a bit real. And if you don't like this, then you can always erase this one, because this is going a bit in different direction. But for me it's fine, so I'm going to undo it. And what I think is this water splash is not looking that great, so we are going to adjust it a little bit using our eraser tool. Alright guys, so this was it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And if you did, then please press that like button, and I hope you learned something new. And if you did, then you can subscribe if you want. You can also check out me on Instagram. I post mine, it's right there. My Instagram I have 2 accounts on Instagram. Both have the link in the description. For more videos, make sure to subscribe, and hopefully I'll drop my next video soon. I don't know when I'll drop. Anyways, thanks for watching.